All right, Bob, you sent this one over, and I'm a little curious what's happening here because I got to be honest, I have no idea, and I'm excited for your explanation of this process.
This is a combustion wire gun. And the way it operates, it uses oxygen and acetylene to create a flame. And that flame is going to come out the left side of this once you see it lit. And on the right side, you see it's like that little springy thing. And just to the right of it, you see a little wire. And we're going to show you how to light this gun and how the whole process works. So right now that it's on the off position, he's bringing it up to the full on to clear everything out. Now he's going to put it down to this light position. So it's lower flows. See, the lit the flame, got it to full flow, and now he's going to start the wire feed on it. And once he starts the wire feed, you'll see the metal being melted and coming out the other side. And he's going to pick the gun up. We call it guns. We're trying to get away from that because guns has a bad connotation. Trying to call it torches. And here you see him spraying. This particular case, he's spraying some zinc. Just a quick demo, and you can see the white color there as he's spraying. So it's a simple demonstration. That's how easy this equipment is to use. He is doing it inside a hood so that the molten zinc that turns into a dried zinc is being pulled down through the hood into a dust collector so he doesn't have to breathe it. He gets sick, breathing these fumes. So that's how easy a combustion wire gun is to use and how useful it can be.
Yeah, that's pretty surprising. I mean, I know we've talked for a while and you've gone through this process. It's really cool to actually see the torch in action. And yeah, I always kind of felt like it was going to be a more elaborate process, but it looks like you can get up and going pretty quick with these guns or these torches.
Torches, yes, that's correct.
Yes.
Torches, we'll call them torches. Yes, so actually you're right. There is a whole gamut. Some of the setups are quite complex with some complex, expensive parts and expensive materials, but it can be simple for a lot of guys with a machine shop or a job shop, as we call it, can use this equipment to repair parts and have very quick turnarounds for damaged and equipment that they want to get back online for their customers. If you saw anything today with the automation or the processes that has your interest, give us a call at Thermal Spray Depot at 724-229-5791 or drop us a line at info@thermalspraydepot.com.